Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. So a lot of people tell me that card making is therapeutic. So one of my very favorite things to do with card making is sponging or ink blending. This to me is probably the most relaxing thing I can do with my cards, and it's my all-time favorite thing. And I'm careful when I make my videos that I don't always show my ink sponging, because I could do this every single video, every single day. So what I have here is a piece of Whisper White Thin. I have it on a little blending mat, and people have asked me about this blending mat. It was a gift, and it comes from England, and that's all I can tell you. I don't know if you can actually find them now that are available. But anyway, it's sort of just a plastic piece of plastic, really, and it holds the ink so that the ink, it doesn't get everywhere, and you can kind of pick it up off the mat. It's really kind of cool. So I've sped this inking up 4 times as fast so as not to bore you, but I started off with Peekaboo Peach, then I moved on to Flirty Flamingo, and my last color that I'm putting on is Sweet Sugar Plum. Now these colors are going to be retiring soon as of the new catalog coming in, so that's May 31st. This will end, and so if you don't have these colors, you may want to get them, because look how beautiful they blend together. I think that was one of the most awesome things about those in colors, was that I found that they went really well together. All right, so now I have a piece of adhesive sheet. Stampin' Up does sell these, and I've put a thick Whisper White card base, kind of. It's a little bit cut down. And now I'm going to put my Flourish dies in through the Big Shot, and I'm doing the Big Shot work a little bit different. I'm building my sandwich a little bit differently, where I'm facing the cutting edge of the dies up, and then hopefully I get an easier cutting. And I have to say, with these really intricate dies, it cut like butter. It was awesome. So, and I've basically made stickers out of these, so I don't have to fuss with any adhesive, because the adhesive's already on it. And so I just, like I said, just cut that out of Whisper White thick cardstock. And now I just sort of adjusted that flourish so it looks more like a flower stem. And again, adjusting it to suit my needs, basically. So once I've had everything where I need it, I just gently took a bone folder and pressed it down. Now I am using the Teeny Tiny Wishes stamp set again, and this says Thinking of You, and it's just such a small little sentiment, because I really just wanted that sponging to shine. And then of course I had to put my Wink of Stella over the flowers. That is my card for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.